BTP, Big Business Technology for Small Business.
Good morning, welcome to BTP, Michael Jenkin here. Just to follow on from our last video about data destruction. So after we've taken clients' hard drives and things like that, and we've gone through and overwritten the hard drives with the garbage about several times, just to make sure you can't recover data, we then go to the next step. And the next step includes, if you decide you want it officially destroyed, we'll actually make it unrecoverable by scratching the platters and drilling holes in them and then sending them off to get shredded. Now I'm talking shredded, they're down to centimetres in size, little tiny bits and pieces ripped up right away. So what we do is we charge by the kilo, we send it off, it gets destroyed officially, and you get a certificate and you know your data is definitely gone. If, however, you don't want to actually go to that extent, whilst it's been proven that a hole drilled through a platter you can still retrieve data, and a scratched platter you can still retrieve data, and overwritten data you can still retrieve data, we make it darn hard for anyone to get any data back. So even if you don't want to go the whole shredding, we still drill holes through them and we still send them off properly to get recycled and scratch the platters so no one can get, well, hopefully the data back unless they're specialists. So let's have a look at it, shall we? Right, so here's our BTP recycling. It goes into these drums before it gets taken away. And here we have all the destroyed hard drives. So we bend the aluminium platters like that. This one here, it shows you what a crashed head can do. See the sort of circle carved into the media? That's not recoverable. That drive has lost its data now. This one here is a glass platter. Very careful with those. Yes, we pull them apart. We can't really scratch them. We do have a way of shattering them that's fairly safe. So we get rid of those as well. And then of course, here we go, we've got a Dremel. We're taking a Dremel to this disc and you can see the holes drilled in it as well. So unless you're an absolute total forensic nut and you want to spend a long time on it, that's not really recoverable. And you've got of course all the circuit boards and things as well. So we destroy them. We take out all the magnets, all the platters. Basically this is now off to recycling. So the people that want theirs officially destroyed with a certificate, theirs is going off to get shredded. These ones, however, are going off to be recycled. So we make sure that nobody can get your data within reason. We make sure that all your data is protected. We're not breaching any privacy acts. You're not breaching any privacy acts. And of course, we're making sure everything's covered. So that's just one more thing that we do here. So this lot will go off in the next few days to get recycled. And whoever gave them to us, because they're all anonymous now, can just breathe a fresh breath of fresh air and away we go. So thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you again tomorrow.